It's like giving yourself a facial, you know? And it's like, honestly, you guys, it's really relaxing. Hello there beauties, your girl Euniycemari here, and so today we're going to be talking about how to properly moisturize your face. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Euniycemari, and my channel is all about informative beauty from skincare, hair care, makeup, DIYs, all that fun stuff. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and make sure you hit the post notification bell so you are notified when I upload, as well as if you like what I do here on this channel, go ahead and give your girl a big thumbs up and share me with the world. I'm going to be giving you guys some tips on how to properly moisturize your face, or how to apply a moisturizer properly, okay? Now, you may think, Eunice, there's a way of applying moisturizer. There is a way of applying moisturizer, and there are different ways of applying it. There are so many people who have different rules on how to apply moisturizer and what keeps away the wrinkles and what makes it apply or absorb the most. We're going to be using the Shea Moisture Green Coconut and Activated Charcoal Moisturizing Jelly Cream by Shea Moisture. I have a full review if you guys want to go check that out. And I'm going to show you guys how I moisturize and how I think moisturizing should be done. Like I said, let me get close. There are many different ways that people moisturize, okay? But I'm just going to show you my way of moisturizing and what I think works. So, after your face is cleansed, my face has been cleansed, it's been toned, all that. Take your moisturizer of choice. It's a jelly. So, what I like to do is I like to take it and I just like to place dots on the face. Now, I'm really careful because I am, I am oily prone. So, I don't like to use too much moisturizer, but I like to use enough. People may say this is a lot of moisturizer. I don't know. Okay, so after our moisturizer is placed on my face, using the balls of the fingers, I like to go in a circular upward motion. I like to go like this, okay? Now, before I start to do this, there's a few reasons why I like to work in a circular upward motion. So whenever you're circular, right, motions on the skin, you're creating blood flow, you're creating circulation, so you're waking that skin up and you're just letting all the blood come to the face. It's going to make you look a lot more alert. It's just going to make your face look a lot more plumper. Any type of circulation in the face is always good. It makes you look a lot younger, okay? And then you want to go upright because you want to make sure you're pulling everything up, of course, because you know gravity pulls down, and as we age, stuff starts to hang. So I work with pulling up the face to keep everything moving up. I feel like I'm one of those like dancers, or one of those like, I don't know. Anyways, so you want to make sure you move in an upward motion. And if you're a cosmetologist or esthetician, you know this because you go to school and everything that you do facial wise is brought up to the face, okay? So I take both hands and I like to go circular motions, okay? Sometimes I just use 2 fingers, sometimes I use more than 1 finger. I just kind of go with the flow. But usually they say that these fingers have a less pressure, so you want to just go like this so that you're not putting a bunch of pressure on to the face, okay? So how I like to do it, I just do circular motions. I just bring it across the chin. Circular motions. Wake up that face, wake up all that circulation. And I feel like this too lets everything properly seep into the skin, okay? When you're doing this, I just feel like it's a 2-in-1, okay? You're waking the skin up and you're also like helping the product penetrate. To the eye area, I kind of sweep out and up, okay? I never do anything that's too like tugging or anything. I just sweep out and up on the eye area. Cheeks, circular. All right, forehead, I go like this. I do like circular upward motions for the forehead. And it's very calming too, because you can just close your eyes and just, it's like giving yourself a facial, you know? And it's like, honestly, you guys, it's really relaxing. And then what I do is I just let it set, okay? I let it set in the face before I apply my makeup or anything of that sort. And that's how I moisturize. That's how I think moisturizing should be done. I feel, just to touch on a few other key things that you guys may ask about, I feel when you're applying serums, it can be different. Serums, you more so usually want to like pat into the face like so. Also, some people pat their moisturizers into the face like so. They do this motion and that works for them, but I just really feel like really getting in there and just massaging that whole face, getting that blood flow going. It feels good. It wakes up that collagen. It moves it around. It wakes up the fat in the face. It wakes up everything in the face and it gets it moving. So that's why I like to do it that way. But there are multiple ways that people apply moisturizers, and then you got some who just take the moisturizer and they just, you know, no direction, no nothing. They just kind of just splatter it all over the face. So I just think to have more control and to have more direction and to have a fluidity when it comes to the face, you want to work upward. And I like to break it down in sections. I like to apply it here, rub it in, across the chin, across the lip, swipe out and up from the under eye, go into the forehead and just apply that, and then I just let everything sit. All right, if you guys have any questions about how to apply moisturizer, go ahead and leave your comments down below. If you apply moisturizer differently, let us know down below. Let's all talk, let's all have a conversation. But with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.